Hello everyone, today we are going to go through running time of algorithm, which is a problem under sorting section of algorithm on HackerRank. So without wasting time, let us have a look on the problem statement. In this problem statement, we are supposed to find out what is the running time of an algorithm. So we are going to analyze the running time of the algorithm, and then by analyzing the running time of the algorithm, we are going to focus on one specific aspect, which is in this case the number of shifts. By performing the insertion sort, we realize that to insert an element in a given position, sometimes we do have to perform a number of shifts, and in this problem we are supposed to find out how many shifts we perform in order for the array to be sorted. If you're not familiar with the insertion sort, don't hesitate to check out the previous video, correctness of invariant loop, where we dive in, where we explain how the insertion sort is working. So what will be our approach of solving this? Our approach of solving this will be, first, grab the function that is working that we did previously. Second, analyze where the shift is performed. Third, we are going to create a variable that is going to be used to count the number of shifts, and then we are going to perform the incrementation of that variable in the scope where the switch is performed, and at the end we are going to return the result. So without wasting time, let us dive into the implementation of the algorithm. So the first thing to do, as we said, is to grab the function that is working. So here is it. So we wrote a function here which is used for the insertion sort. I will take the same function and I will paste it here. Okay, nice. There are a couple of things which are a bit different. So here we have a vector, and then here we don't have this element, which is actually the size of the vector. Perfect. Next thing is, so this one, the first step is complete. We have the function. The next thing to do is, where is the switch being performed? So if you remember correctly, we say, okay, this is where we are performing the switch, right? So whenever we have an element which is actually greater than the value we want to insert, then we perform a shift and then we decrement our counter. So this is where we are going to perform the incrementation. I will just perform the incrementation here, and then I will create a variable here. So you need to create a variable out of your loop. Now you have it, and then here you just need to return the variable. So let us run this and see what it gives. So I need to put a return here. Go ahead, you can do it. Got it. Okay, so let us run and see what it gives. We have a congratulations. Let us submit. Congratulations, everything is green. So this is my approach of solving this. I hope you do enjoy it. Feel free to leave me a message in the comment section if you have anything to share regarding this. I will be really happy to interact with you. See you on the next video. Ciao.